Hello and welcome. Now, are you one of those people who can go to the chiropractor and get an adjustment, feel amazing, but a little later that day or maybe even the next morning, you wake up and you feel a little bit sore? In this video, you will learn why a chiropractic adjustment can sometimes cause neck pain. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a video. This channel is going to be full of chiropractic related content. My name is Dr. Kristina Turkewitsch and I'm a chiropractor in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. I am a corrective care chiropractor and I use a technique called Thompson technique. Now, if this is a technique that you've never heard of before and you want to learn a little bit more about it and why it's so special and why I love to use it, please just leave me a comment and I'd love to explain that to you, get back to you, maybe even if you're really interested, make a video. Let's get into the video, shall we? First of all, I just want to let you know that soreness after an adjustment is completely normal. It's just a normal part of the process of getting an adjustment, and it will go away over time. And it's generally only there for a very short period of time, which is good. Feeling soreness after an adjustment is not an indication that there's something bigger going on, okay? It's just a natural part of the process, and we're gonna go into that a little bit more. So we're just going to talk a little bit about posture and spinal posture because it plays a big role in this question. So naturally, normally, every person should have a curvature in their neck. It should be a C-shaped curve, kind of like this, and I'll try maybe put a picture up to show exactly what I'm talking about, but you should have a curvature something like this in your neck, naturally. Now over time, different things that you've gone through, different injuries you've had, your body starts to adapt to these things, especially if you haven't been seeing a chiropractor. Unfortunately, what happens is you adapt away from normal. So this is normal. This is what everybody starts out with. But as you have things happening in your life, injuries that you've had, spinal injuries potentially, slowly, unfortunately, we start to lose the curvature in our neck, okay? And it starts to straighten out. Some people can actually have a reverse curvature. It really just depends on what you've been through. Once your body has shifted, so what happens is your body will adapt away from normal. So as your body adapts away from normal, all the tissues and everything are also adapting. Your brain is also adapting. And so your body ends up away from normal in a position that is not optimal, let's say, and it can create problems. Because the body has adapted to this position now, and everything around it has adapted to this position, when you start to have adjustments, your body is not used to it, and it kind of will say, wait, what the heck is going on? All right, this is not normal. This is not the position that I'm usually in. And as a result, you can have a little discomfort, a little pain, because the body has to readapt now to the new position of the joint, if that makes sense. So when you get an adjustment, the repositioning of the joints into a more optimal, normal position will have a reaction, will have a physical reaction. Your body will react. Now, some people don't notice it, and that's great. But I mean, I'd say a little more than half probably do notice it more. And just from what I've, heard in my own practice, people do have a little soreness the next day after an adjustment. Generally, if you're getting adjusted at a regular interval, your body gets used to it and it responds better. Like it adapts to getting the adjustments regularly, right? But even so, you can still have a little bit of soreness even if you've been seeing a chiropractor for a long period of time. When you have issues in the spine, it can take a while to correct them. And when people come in to see us, sometimes they expect a quick fix. But a lot of the time, I would say the majority of the time, when people come in to see us, their issues have been there for decades. And so it's not going to take just 1 or 2 adjustments to get that back to normal, okay? I just want to impress on you that the healing process takes a while. It can take a while, depending on your physical state, your physiology, what you're going through, your home, your environment at home, your environment at work. All of these things play a part in the healing process. And so I just want to say that sometimes it'll take a little while. Sometimes you'll go through periods of a bit more soreness when you're getting adjusted, because your body is adapting to so many different things. So sometimes it'll just take a while for your body to heal. So you may go through phases or times where you're feeling a little more sore, you're having a little more pain, maybe different things will flare up, but then it'll start to go up again. And you'll start to feel better. So I never say that healing is a straight line. Healing never goes in a straight line. It goes like this, right? It has ups and downs. But as long as the trajectory is always going up, then you're on the right path, okay? And your chiropractor will let you know, will keep you informed, and you'll have regular assessments so that you feel informed about your care and about your progress, okay? So you understand what's going on. So there you have it. I hope this helps to answer your questions about why you can have pain after a neck adjustment, or why you can have neck pain after an adjustment. If you have any other questions though, or if you would like to know a little bit more, just send me a comment, let me know, and I definitely will get back to you. So thanks again for watching, and I really appreciate if you were able to stay to the end of the video. That's fantastic. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and share this video for anybody you feel could benefit. That would be wonderful. Now, if you have, again, any comments, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!